Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick video I'm going to be showing you how you can simply send your Bitcoin from your Coinbase mobile app to your Kucoin wallet. This can be done by simply scrolling down and clicking on send. Upon clicking on send, you give it some time to load in the asset you'd like to send. And what we're looking for right now is our Bitcoin, so you click on Bitcoin. And now we have to head over to the Kucoin app, where we will simply get our wallet address from, our Bitcoin wallet address. So you minimize, head over to Kucoin, click on deposit, click on BTC. And now once Bitcoin loads in, you have to take note of the fact that the networks have to match for the withdrawals to take place. So if you're sending Bitcoin on the Bitcoin network, it should be Bitcoin on the Bitcoin network. So you click Bitcoin, you copy your wallet address, copied. You simply minimize from here, head back to Coinbase, paste this wallet address simply, and then click on continue. And then you put in the amount of BTC you'd like to send to this particular wallet address. So we're going to be sending $10 worth of USD. Click on preview. And with that, you'll be able to send 0.0036366 BTC into your Kucoin wallet, and it would arrive here whilst notifying you on the notification section, which is at the top right corner of the screen. You'd be notified via email and also the app pop-up notification as well. Comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can go about this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.